Okay, so how do you do a diary format or layout in the reMarkable 2? The answer lies in their templates. Unless you purchase a template, Etsy has some great ones. I can shamelessly plug my Etsy shop, Wholehearted Me, and I've got templates over there. What what reMarkable 2 give you is you click on the notebook and then you select the layout that you want. So you go to view all, and they've got up here, they've got categories. So if you click on the all, they're all together, but I just thought I'd quickly show you. These are the creative layouts. Now this is portrait. If I quickly I'm going to come back to portrait, but the landscape, if you prefer to use your device this way, then you would use those. But we're just going to go with portrait today. If you want a grid of some sort, you can grab those. The life and organized section is probably where you want to be if you want a diary format or layout. So there's the check blank, 1 storyboard, 2 storyboard. They're very faint. So when you look at them, they're very faint. I will show you, I won't go on that one. Let me come back to here. Life and organized, I wanted to show you one of these. The day planner, the week planner, and the week planner 2. Let's go to the week planner 2. Nope, week planner 2, here we go. We're going to leave it at notebook 6. That's what we're going to call it, but you can change that name later. And then here is a simplified version. Now, there's no hyperlinks, there's no calendar in here, you can't get around. It is a one-pager. So if we go to the grid view, it is one page. Yes, you can press and hold, and you might want to put, let's just say duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. That's like a month, that's 4 weeks. And we go back to week 1. Oh, it's in select mode. So we could press cancel back, and we're back here. Get rid of the menu, and then you can start planning. You can, get the dog washed. You can use, got meetings, got a team meeting, got a board meeting here, got a birthday there, and you can go for it in all your different colors, different style pens, different colors, all of that sort of stuff. So that is how you can actually create a diary using what reMarkable offer you. Now, if we hop out of here, you will find that notebook has been put on your home screen, and you can then do whatever you want with that. Press and hold, selects it. You can move it to any of the folders that you've set up for yourself. I'm going to press cancel. I am going to press and hold, and I'm going to delete it. Otherwise I end up with heaps of these documents on my reMarkable, so I like to do that straight away. And just so you know, you can come to menu, you can go to trash, and you can empty your trash here. There's a little bonus tip there. It's pretty self-explanatory, but sometimes there's so much to learn. Someone telling you something obvious is helpful. So that's how you can get a diary format or a layout. Doesn't cost you anything. You can use the templates that reMarkable give you as default in your device. Okay, thanks for any support for a like and subscribe would be great. And any questions, just ask me down below.